Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to break down a platform that's really changing the game for how developers build with AI. I'm talking about Google's Vertex AI. Now, if you've ever felt like machine learning is just this tangled mess of separate, super complicated tools, then you already know the exact problem Vertex AI was created to solve. So let's just dive right in. So let's start with the big question, right? Why is building with AI so ridiculously hard sometimes? From getting your data ready to actually deploying a model, it's incredibly complex. It honestly feels like you need to be an expert in 10 different things just to get a single project off the ground. And that exact pain point, that's what Vertex AI is all about fixing.
Here's the core idea in a nutshell. Before Vertex AI, you had all these siloed tools for every little step. Your data was in one place, you trained models in another, deploying was a completely separate headache, and monitoring, well, that was usually a messy afterthought. The whole mission of Vertex AI is to smash all that together into one integrated, unified platform with MLOps, that's machine learning operations, built right in from the get-go.
So yeah, let's take a closer look at that old broken way of doing things. The real challenge wasn't just that there were a lot of tools. It was the absolute chaos that came from trying to stitch them all together into something that actually worked.
I mean, just think about it. You've got your data engineering team living and breathing inside BigQuery. Your ML engineers are over on the old AI platform. Your data scientists, they're probably using their own favorite notebooks, totally disconnected from everyone else. And then, when a model is finally ready, it gets thrown over the fence to the ops team, who has to manually figure out how to deploy it. It was just so inefficient and a recipe for errors.
And that's exactly where Vertex AI comes into the story. It's designed to be the hero here, right? It's the unified platform that brings some much-needed order to that chaos and gives you one single place for everything and anything related to machine learning.
The official description calls it an end-to-end platform, and that's key. It means it covers the entire lifecycle, from the moment you get your raw data to having a fully scaled and monitored model running in production. And the killer promise is doing all of this without stitching together multiple tools.
Now, this is really important to get. Vertex AI isn't just another new tool that Google added to the pile. It's actually a consolidation. It takes these powerful existing services like AI Platform and AutoML and pulls them all together under one roof with one consistent API and one user experience. That alone simplifies things tremendously.
Okay, so let's pop the hood and go inside the platform itself. You know, one of the most powerful things about Vertex AI is just how flexible it is. It's designed to meet you wherever you are. Whether you're a total expert who wants to write every single line of code, or you're someone who just wants to tap into the power of ML without needing a PhD. First up, let's talk to all the expert coders out there, the data scientists and ML engineers who really live and breathe this stuff. Don't worry, Vertex AI has you completely covered. With custom training, you just bring your own code. You can use all the frameworks you already know and love, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, you name it. And you get to run these training jobs on Google's incredible hardware. Everything from standard CPUs to high-performance GPUs and even their own tensor processing units, or TPUs. This is absolutely perfect for building those really sophisticated, complex models, like the ones used for fraud detection.
But what if you're not an expert coder? What if you're, say, a product manager, or an analyst, or a developer who just needs a powerful model like yesterday? Well, guess what? Vertex AI was built for you, too.
This low-code magic is powered by something called AutoML, and it really is a simple three-step process. 1. You upload your data. 2. AutoML does all the heavy lifting. It analyzes your data, picks the right algorithms, and tunes everything. And 3. You get a high-quality, trained model that's ready to start making predictions. It is truly that accessible.
And remember, this isn't just about training a model one time. Vertex AI gives you a full MLOps workflow. You've got the model registry to version and manage all your models, you have pipelines to automate the entire process, and there's built-in monitoring to alert you if your model's performance starts to slip. This kind of end-to-end management is what makes it enterprise-grade, turning a deployment that used to take weeks into something you can do in hours.
Okay, let's switch gears for a second to one of the most exciting parts of the platform: the integration of Google's absolute state-of-the-art generative AI models. We're calling this the Gemini revolution.
And the source material just puts it bluntly, this is a huge deal. And it really is. Having direct enterprise-grade access to models like Gemini Pro right inside the same platform where you manage all your other ML projects, it's a total game changer.
So what does this actually let you build? Well, think about advanced chatbots,
tools that can generate code for you, systems that can summarize massive documents in seconds, and even really sophisticated search applications that use retrieval augmented generation. That's a fancy way of saying you can ground the model's answers in your own private data. And because Gemini is multimodal, you can build apps that understand and combine text, images, and a whole lot more.
All right, for our last section, let's bring all this home and focus on the practical side of things. Because the ultimate goal of Vertex AI is to make all this incredible power actually usable, and not just for data scientists.
Let's ask a really common, really important question. What if I'm a Java developer, or a Go developer, or a back-end Python engineer? I'm building applications. I'm not necessarily training models from scratch. Where do I fit into this whole picture?
The answer is so simple and, honestly, so empowering. You don't need to be an AI expert. You don't have to throw away your core skills or suddenly become a data scientist overnight just to use this amazing technology.
For you, the application developer, Vertex AI basically just looks like any other powerful back-end service. You can call a model, doesn't matter if it's an AutoML model or Gemini itself, with a simple REST API call. Then you just integrate those predictions directly into your existing apps, so you can treat a super sophisticated AI model just like you'd treat any other microservice. It's that straightforward.
This table really sums up what a huge leap forward this is. A unified platform? Check. Powerful AutoML that anyone can use? Check. State-of-the-art generative AI? Big check. MLOps and automatic scalability built right in? Check and check. When you compare it to the old, manual, fragmented way of doing things, the advantages are just crystal clear.
So, we'll end with this thought. Vertex AI's whole mission is to bring the entire universe of AI, from custom deep learning to massive generative models, all under a single unified and accessible roof. It gets rid of all the friction of stitching tools together and just lets you focus on creating. So the only real question left is, if you had all of that power in one place,